Hello everyone, Ra Saint here, Legacy Futures Trading Group. Today is, well, now it's Monday, June 2nd, 2025. It's 1:28 in the morning Eastern Standard Time. And I wasn't looking for a trade, but I'm always have my charts up and ready to go. This is a 1-minute chart. Market hit a big support zone and boom, bounce right back. We had a really nice setup. Support zones, resistance zones, entry levels, all the elements of the Legacy Futures trading strategy. I hope you had an awesome weekend. I hope you are all having a great night sleep. I don't sleep much. I'm always looking at the charts, unfortunately, but it is what it is. And now I was gonna go back to sleep, but I am all hyped up, so I won't be getting any sleep until later on. Market bounce up that resistance zone. Guess which trade we took? We took a really awesome trade. Did we buy this move? Did we sell this move? There's always something happening at these support and resistance zones, and today was not the exception. Like, subscribe, share so others can join our awesome trading group. We have a lot of surprises for you at these coming weeks. So let me know in the comments and be one of the first to watch our live analysis. It's gonna be awesome. So enjoy the video. Let me know in the comments how was your weekend, and just watch and enjoy. Alrighty, 1:01 in the morning Eastern Standard Time. NASDAQ Futures June 2025 contract, 1-minute chart, and market hit a big support zone here. Up. And now, guess what happens next? By the way, it's Monday. We're waiting for a retracement. And as soon as we have the retracement, we'll have support and resistance zones. We have a minor entry level here. We have a mini entry level here. And market could do whatever it wants to do. Eventually, we should see a retracement. Then we're gonna have support zones, and then we can look for a buy setup towards a resistance zone. That's the plan. That's the Legacy Futures trading strategy plan. So I am just waiting for that to happen. And yeah, let's see how long this takes. Let's see, we should have that in the next few minutes. Looking nice. Let's see, this is not confirmed yet, but we have support zone here. Control paste, support zone here. Those are the two support zones we're gonna be working with, and we have a resistance zone here, and we're gonna have a target zone way up here. So now let's see how many points we have there. Template load, target zone. Okay, we have around 15 points. We can get this out of the way. I hope you all had an awesome weekend like we did. Buy stock market.
Order submitted.
and it's just a matter of waiting for that turnaround. A great entry would be around 40 to 50, 55. That would be ideal. That would be 30 points, $600. Let me grab a take profit level and put it around here. Pop. Okay, if you don't understand what's going on and what I'm doing, don't worry about that. We can talk about that later. 35. I'm gonna
order fell.
whoop. Okay, look how market reacted at that level. Up. And we are in at what? Actually, right at the mini entry level. That's why I am now usually using. Let's grab around 15 points. 36.50, 37, 42, 52, 53.50. That's gonna be how much? Quanto? 6, 4, 3, 17 points. That's $34,680. Let's make it. Let's make it 18, 36 and 4, 18 points. And how much is that? I don't know. That's a lot. 18, that's 36,720. 720. This should be a really awesome trade for a Monday morning. Well, overnight actually. So let's just wait and see what happens. We just need to see a break of this high. Remember, this is a 1 minute chart, so market could be all over the chart, but still the strategy works in every time frame. You just have to know what's going on in major time frames. And for example, let's go to the 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart. Okay, we have here market on a really nice bearish move. Flop, 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 and bound. Boom. Touch right there and bounce right back. It kind of pushed towards this high and bounce right back to the downside. That's fine. That's part of price action. But eventually we should see a push to the upside. Remember, this is not confirmed yet. My strategy is not about confirmation. It's about market reaching support and target zones and then turning around. And I mean, you know, I don't use this, but we can see here we have a resistance trend line. A market kind of hitting that resistance trend line and rejecting it once, twice, third time, and now they're gonna push to the upside. How do I know? I don't, but it's our probability, and the probability is that market is gonna make a bigger retracement based on this downward move. There we go. We have 10 points right there, and this should be a winning trade already, but I'm gonna hold it. I believe they're gonna at least retest this high, and it could keep on going. But trading plan, trading goals. Actually, I'll probably close this trade before then. Maybe 20, 25 points, 400, 500 bucks, and be done with it. But there we go. What do I know? How do I know? Well, you know, experience, watching the market day in, day out. Come on, keep on pushing. Next candle is gonna just blow up, and that's what I'm gonna be waiting for. Almost 20 points there. That should be enough. But I'm gonna get a little greedy. Okay, maybe grab $400 out of this move. Come on. And I got, okay, there we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Come on, fill me up. Come on, you know. Ka-ching! Target filled. Oh, I am so lucky. Well, yes, I am. Thank you, Lord, for the knowledge you have given us and for us to share with our followers and viewers. But let's go to the 1 minute chart and see how it went. Where is my... Okay, here you are. Where are you? I don't see you. Okay, here you are. So exactly as I was expecting, market hit that support zone and then boom, straight to resistance. Beautiful, beautiful, awesome trade here. We are live. Text a marker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minute trade, and you know the drill. We're gonna do this as always. Let me get all these things out of the way. I have a bunch of stuff here. I apologize. All right. So now we have NASDAQ buy setup. We have entry to contract at 21 to 36. I'm gonna take the 25, the highest one. Okay, we have 2 entries. That's why I use I'm using market entries instead of limit orders, because it's so volatile. You never know if it's gonna fill you or not. So that's that. We have target. We have 2 contracts at 21 to 49.75. This is what I love when it's not even round numbers. So we have 36 and 49. We have 10, 13 and a half point. 13 and a half point. Because 49.75 minus 36.25, that's 13 and a half. If I am correct. And of course, today, right now, I am. And we have total trade. We have 13 and a half times 2, that's 27. 27 puts, which equals, that's 540. 540 bucks. But why? Because, ¿por qué? Because we know market gives 20 bucks per NASDAQ point. Boom. Really awesome trade. 1, 2, 3. Nailed it again. And guys, it's funny because it's not funny. There's a lot of ways of getting support and resistance on support and resistance trend lines. Those are easy. Okay, those are basic stuff. But knowing when and why the market is going to turn around, this is the most important thing. Obviously, when analyzing the market and starting to look up for entry level support and resistance zones, this is the key. Okay, knowing and understanding bigger support, resistance, target zones on higher time frames. Of course, that's why they are bigger support and resistance zones. I don't even know I know for sure, but I don't have the exact levels of support, of this big support. And Rob, you said there's a big support here and market is bouncing, and you don't know if that's the exact support zone. I do not, because when I look at the market and I saw this big bounce here, pop, I understood that this was a big support zone. But don't believe me, okay? That's just because of my experience. Me looking at a chart, I know what's going on because it's been so many years studying one and only one chart. How long have I been trading the NASDAQ? Like a year, over a year. And it took me a while to analyze it and understand its price action and its market behavior. And I could trade with one eye. I could look, I don't want to sound cocky or like, yeah, I know what's going on. But you have seen it day in, day out. Big support zone, pop, market bouncing, entry exit levels. Look how market is reacting around that level. Okay, mini entry level. Look how market reacts around that mini entry level. Pop, 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 and then it went where? Straight to this resistance zone. I put it right here in the video, making the video for you guys. Boom. I don't know what else to say other than God is great and this is awesome. I really love it. It's Sunday evening, Monday morning, overnight 1:17 in the Eastern Standard Time, and we grabbed 27 points out of this move in 7 minutes. Well, 1, 2, 3, it was 6 minutes. And this is why I could have held the trade. Market might probably push higher, but guess what? I'm not gonna say it. You're gonna say it because you've heard it before, again and again and again. Trading plan, trading goal. My trading plan, my trading goal. 15, 20 points. It was 10 to 15. Now I up the ante a little bit. 15, 20, 25 points. And that's great. So that's it for today. I'm gonna try to go to sleep because every time I trade or I watch the market, I'm all hyped up. And there's no sleeping for me in the next at least half an hour. So I'll go outside, take a walk, and we'll be back tomorrow. I can tell you. Comment, like, share. Let's make up a great trading community. We all learn from our mistakes. I have tried explaining you all of the mistakes I've done for over the last 15 years and what works for me. That doesn't mean it's gonna work for you, but you have a very specific tools that could help you out with your trading. Let me know in the comments what has been working for you. What do you need help with? Those entry exit levels, I'm telling you, those are the bomb, but don't believe me. Learn them, try them out, and yeah, let me help you grow with our Legacy Futures trading group. Well, that's it. I'm gonna get out of here. Want to learn my trading strategy? You want to join our trading group? Questions, comments, complaints, jokes, you know what to do. Alright, Saint Legacy Futures Trading Group for VanLife Day Traders. Have a great one. Catching.